They say life is a series of ups and downs, but when your downs are really down and your ups are nowhere in sight, it can be hard to believe. When you're struggling to get out of bed each day without any hope for a brighter tomorrow, all you see is an endless abyss of despair that seems to swallow your spirit whole. In those times, we need a guiding light, something or someone to remind us that we are not alone, and that there is always hope for a comeback. Today, we bring you a story that did just that for us, a tale of resilience, determination, and above all, hope. Welcome to our channel. Join us as we delve into the inspiring journey of a man who rose from rock bottom to claim his spot on top once again. His story will resonate with anyone who has ever felt defeated and give you the strength to keep going, even when the road ahead seems too dark to travel. We all have dreams, aspirations that we hold close to our hearts, things that make our souls sing with joy. But sometimes life has a way of knocking us off our path, of testing our resolve and challenging our beliefs. We find ourselves at a crossroads, unsure of which direction to take or even if our dreams are worth pursuing. The weight of these uncertainties can be overwhelming, leading us to lose sight of our goals and surrender to the hardships that stand in our way. Meet a man whose life was turned upside down by a series of unfortunate events. He found himself in a world he never imagined, facing challenges that threatened to break him. With each passing day, the darkness around him seemed to grow, casting long shadows over his hopes and dreams. But despite the odds being stacked against him, he refused to give up. He held on to the belief that one day he would rise again, stronger and wiser than before. Throughout his journey, he encountered people who tried to pull him down, reminding him of his past mistakes and convincing him that he was not worthy of happiness or success. But he chose to rise above their negativity, focusing instead on the flicker of hope that still burned brightly within him. One fateful day, a stranger entered his life, someone who saw beyond his rough exterior and recognized the potential that lay dormant within him. This individual extended a helping hand, offering support and guidance that helped him navigate through the treacherous waters of life. With this newfound support, he began to heal, slowly picking up the pieces of his shattered life and putting them back together. But his journey was far from easy. There were days when the pain was unbearable, when the scars of his past threatened to consume him. Yet he persevered, drawing strength from the belief that his time would come again. He worked tirelessly, honing his skills and learning from his mistakes, determined to make something of himself despite the challenges that surrounded him. As time went on, his dedication and hard work paid off. People began to notice his talents and the value he brought to those around him. Opportunities came knocking at his door, each one presenting him with a chance to prove himself. He seized every opportunity, showcasing his abilities and climbing higher and higher on the ladder of success. The naysayers and doubters who had once belittled him now watched in amazement as he achieved what they thought was impossible. He became a shining example to others, proving that no matter how rough the road may be, one can always rise again if they have the courage to keep moving forward. His story is a testament to the power of resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity and come out stronger on the other side. It reminds us that no matter how low we may fall, there is always hope for a comeback, always a chance to rewrite our story. The man who was once lost and broken is now a beacon of hope for others, a living embodiment of the phrase "rise again." His journey serves as a reminder that true success is not defined by the absence of obstacles, but by our ability to overcome them. So whenever you find yourself at rock bottom, feeling like all hope is lost, remember the story of this remarkable man. Let his journey ignite a fire within you, propelling you to take action and pursue your dreams with unwavering determination. Don't let the challenges you face define you or limit your potential. Instead, rise above them, knowing that your time is coming. Success is not a destination, but a journey filled with ups and downs. Embrace the journey, learn from the falls, and celebrate the victories along the way. Remember, Your time will come again. You were made for more than what you see before you. You have a purpose that awaits your full expression. So hold on to hope, nurture your dreams, and never, ever give up. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's a culmination of countless small steps taken consistently over time. Just like a mighty oak grows from a tiny acorn, your success will sprout from the seeds of effort and determination you sow today. Don't be discouraged by the slow and steady growth. Instead, find joy in the progress you make each day, no matter how small it may seem. Every successful person has walked a path similar to yours, facing doubts and uncertainties at every turn. Yet they chose to push forward, refusing to let the negativity of others dictate their future. You too have the power to shape your own destiny. Don't let the opinions of others hold you back or diminish your potential. Believe in yourself and your abilities. No matter how many times you stumble and fall, pick yourself up and start again. Each setback is an opportunity to learn and grow. Each failure is a stepping stone towards your ultimate success. Embrace the challenges that come your way and use them to refine your skills and make you stronger. You have within you an indomitable spirit that has survived the toughest of times. That same spirit will carry you through the challenges ahead and lead you to the success that awaits you. Don't let external circumstances define your worth. Your true value lies in your ability to rise above the challenges you face and emerge even stronger. When faced with adversity, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and succumb to the belief that you are not meant to succeed. However, it's in these moments of despair that your true strength is tested and revealed. You have the power to change your narrative, to transform your setbacks into comebacks that defy the odds. Your story is not over yet. There are chapters yet to be written, adventures waiting to be had, and triumphs waiting to be claimed. Don't settle for mediocrity when greatness is within your reach. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back when courage and belief can lead you to the life you desire. Embrace the uncertainty of life with open arms. It is in the unknown that the greatest opportunities lie. Be open to new experiences, new people, and new possibilities. You never know what doors they might open for you. Adventure awaits you. Are you ready to answer the call? Life is a precious gift that should be cherished each and every day. Don't waste it on negativity, doubt, or complacency. Instead, invest it in your dreams, your passions, and your relationships. Let your heart guide you towards what truly matters and bring you fulfillment. Take care of your well-being, both physical and mental, for without your health, you cannot thrive. Find balance in all aspects of your life, and don't be afraid to ask for help when needed. Remember, you are not alone. Be kind to yourself and others. Practice forgiveness, not only towards others, but also towards yourself. Everyone makes mistakes. It's what makes us human. Learn from your mistakes and move forward with grace. Go forth into the world with confidence, knowing that your time is coming. Trust in your abilities, trust in your journey, and trust in the universe to guide your steps. You were born for greatness. It's time to embrace it. Your time is coming, my friend. Hold on to that belief with all your heart, and let it be your guiding star. Thank you for joining us on this journey of hope and inspiration. May the story of the man who rose from rock bottom to claim his spot on top again ignite a fire within you, propelling you towards your dreams with unwavering determination. Until next time, keep believing in the promise of a brighter tomorrow, and know that your time is indeed coming.